had just travelled about an hour and a half to do a pet sit. So, in case you don't know what a pet sit is, here in Australia it's quite common to advertise if you want to go away on a holiday but you've got pets. You advertise on Facebook or somewhere else to have somebody come and stay at your house while you're away and look after your pets. So that's what we're doing, and this is the second time we've been to this one. We did this, when was it? Christmas or something? Around Christmas time. We stayed there and we looked after two beautiful dachshunds, brother and sister dachshunds, and it all went so well. The owners were happy with us because we kept it tidy and everything, and looked after the dogs well, and we really enjoyed staying there. It's a very nice, relaxing place, and this is up near Caloundra, so we get to spend a bit of time up here enjoying the scenery, etc. around Caloundra without having to pay for accommodation, so it's win-win. Anyway, we're going to see, what's going to be interesting is whether the dogs remember us since Christmas, or because one of them in particular was quite shy and was hiding and timid the first time we were there, and took a day or so, or maybe 2 days, and then we got the dogs used to us. Of course, the dogs were pretty much used to Jen straight away, but me a bit longer.
Because our dog had experience, it was Sally, she experienced maltreatment from a man, so she's scared of a man.
Yeah. So when they told us that,
In 400 meters,
I thought, well, I have a little bit of a
turn
challenge to win her over, and I did. So, but let's just see. We're gonna video when we go in, and we'll see how they react to us this time. Hello.
Hello! Do you remember me? Hey, Sally!
Hello, girl.
Sally! Hey,
Hello.
Sally!
Hello, little guy. Come on.
Oh.
Hello. Hello, little girl.
Sally!
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's all right. Come on, darling. Come on.
Onyx.
Onyx.
Onyx is growing so big. Onyx, come here. Come here.
Come on, Sally. Come on. It's all right. Okay. See, Sally's the one that was a little bit apprehensive because of her history with somebody else. But we'll win her over. Come on, it's just me. Come on. Come on, Sally. Come on, Sally. Come on, it's all right. Come on, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You. Hey, come on. There you are.
We'll play. I'm just gonna open the
Sally. Sally. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, open the
All right, we'll give her some time.
Yay! Hello, Sally. She's scared
They
of you,
leave the
baby.
TV on for the dogs. And the dogs can come in and out whenever they like. They've got a little
She's
got a little-
scared of you, baby.
a little door just
Sally's
there.
scared of you.
No, she'll be alright.
Come here,
I bet you within an hour or so she'll be okay.
Come, Sally.
Hello, Sally. Come, Sally.
Onyx is growing so big.
Yeah, good girl. It won't take long.
Yeah, but
Should
if he
be
wants
right.
to come to you.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you?
Okay.
How are you?
Success.
Hey, look at that, Sally.
That took like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
As soon as I sat down, she jumped up on the couch.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Hey, Sally. Oh, I'm happy to meet you again, to see you again.
Get on your buddy.
Hey, Sally. Aww. How are you? How are you? How are you?
Right, going to have soup or do you want me to get something?
Sorry?
Are you going to have soup or do you want me to get something? Oh, you. Let's have a look.
Oh, look at that.
That's nice.
That's so nice. See, we were just talking about tea, babe, that I'm going to make some tea. Look at that.
Very nice.
Oh, beautiful. How beautiful our place is. Look at that. And look at the cute. Hello, Sally. Oh. Cute. Oh. Hello, Sally. Hello, Orange. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh. What is a pet sit? It is a service where individuals or couples take care of someone else's pets, usually in the pet owner's home, while they are away. This includes feeding, walking, playing with the pets, and sometimes basic home care tasks like watering plants or collecting mail. It's a great way for pet owners to ensure their pets are well cared for in a familiar environment. And for pet sitters, it's often a rewarding experience getting to know and care for different animals. Pet sitting offers several benefits, both pet owners and pet sitters. Here are some of the key advantages. For pet owners, there's peace of mind. Knowing that their pets are in the hands of a trusted sitter provides pet owners with peace of mind, especially if their pets have special needs or special routines. Comfort for pets. Pets get to stay in their familiar home environment, reducing stress and anxiety that can come with boarding in unfamiliar places. Routine maintenance. Pet sitters can maintain the pet's regular routine, which includes feeding, exercise, and playtime, contributing to the pet's overall well being. Home security. Having someone stay in their home can deter potential burglars, as the house won't appear empty. Personalized care. Pet sitters can provide one on one attention and care tailored to each pet's unique needs and preferences. And benefits for pet sitters is animal companionship. Pet sitting offers the opportunity to spend time with and care for various animals, which can be fulfilling and enjoyable for animal lovers. And flexible schedule. Many pet sitting opportunities can be worked around a flexible schedule, making it a great option for those who have other commitments or prefer non traditional work hours. Travel opportunities. Pet sitters may get the chance to stay in different locations, sometimes even traveling to new places while taking care of pets. Just like here, you can see the video where we are in Malulaba Sunshine Coast. Cost savings. For several sitters who travel, pet sitting can provide free accommodation in exchange for their services. Experience and skills. Pet sitting allows individuals to gain experience in animal care, which can be valuable for those considering careers in veterinary medicine, animal training, or other related fields. Overall, pet sitting is a mutually beneficial arrangement that provides quality care for pets and rewarding experiences for sitters.
Here, we got a coffee here last time. Malulaba Canal Cruise. Seafood lunch there on that boat. And there's the dive centre there. There's a dive boat.
They don't know about it.
Swim with the whales, see?
Yeah.
That's what it is. You're gonna like this. Mexican with vegan menu. Yeah, so just have a look at this. Thank you, mate.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you. This looks interesting. Don't know.
Give me your phone. I'm gonna take a
You gonna what?
photo over.
Okay. This is really good. How's yours?
Good too. It's made of jackfruit.
Okay, I'm gonna have a bite of that. So Jen's still hungry, so that looks good too. Here at Kenilworth Bakery, the Lullaby. So as much as we enjoyed that Brazilian meal, still a little bit hungry, probably because we're so close to all the other food. So, and this is a Kenilworth Bakery, they always do good stuff. So I'm having a meat pie. So you don't get this in the Philippines. This
have
is,
it.
Do you? I've never seen it. So this is a meat pie.
I go to Tagaytay to have shepherd's pie.
I don't eat before. That's all I'm about.
I actually skipped this. I couldn't help that.
It's the almond milk. Almond milk always sounds crap. There's not a lot you can do with it. There you go. No worries. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is it still filming? So now Jen's got a Kenilworth donut. We're going to go find a place to eat on the water. It's a whale watching charter boat there. Over there. Yeah. There. Okay. What can you say? So this is the famous Kenilworth donut. So there's a place called Kenilworth up in the hills, and there's a bakery there, Kenilworth Bakery, and they came up with this coffee in a donut. So they hollow out a beautiful big thick donut like this, and they coat it with Nutella to stop it from getting soggy, and then they put a latte inside it, and it's just a normal coffee. It just tastes like a normal coffee too, and then you get to eat the donut afterwards. So
Let's see.
and then because it was so famous, I think they started the second Kenilworth Bakery, but here at the Lullaby on the water. So this is where we're getting it from today. Yeah. I've just got the coffee, which is good too.
I forgot to get tissue. I need tissue, babe.
There's a Nutella coming through. It's all over your fingers, babe.
Can you get me some tissue?
Yeah, I will.
Please help me.
It's a good cheer, babe. Can't take you anywhere.
In where we had lunch, babe.
Okay.
So this is kind of messy when you eat it.
Yeah, but
But it's good.
yeah,
It's an experience.
yeah. Every time we go here, she wants one of these. So this is our little treat for her. Yeah. That's a charter boat, babe. That's deep sea fishing.
That would make me happy. Review this.
Mm. Look at that. Come here. Hello, hello, hello. We just got home. Everybody's happy. Hey? Come on, Sal. Come on, Sally. Come on. Up. Good girl. Good girl. So we went to take them for a walk this morning at Curramundi Lake, and we got there and we didn't think we'd need the shock collars, but it turns out we did, because as soon as we got out of the car they went nuts. So, well, Onyx did. So we came home, we got the shock collars, put them on, and then we went back and we came out and we got them out of the car, and Onyx just went nuts again, completely ignored the shock collar. So we figured maybe it's not charged. So we brought it home and we put them on the charger, and we'll try again tomorrow. But they did have a ride in the car and a brief little walk. Yeah, they're just a barrel of laughs. Sally, come say goodbye. Goodbye, Onyx. Goodbye, Sally. Good. We'll see you next time, eh?